Hey everyone, it's Jake Cull. We're back here on the show floor again at the Liebherr booth with Daniel Frank. Daniel, how you doing today?
All right, how are you?
Doing fantastic. So, you guys got a lot of new products you're showcasing. Tell us about what you're featuring today.
All right, a couple of things that we're featuring today. Well, one on the large diameter bearing side, we have our new condition monitoring system, and also our Lieffinity trademark, which is a lubeless, maintenance-free, obviously focusing on the maintenance side to try to limit downtime and maximize value. Next, we also have our hydraulic piston pump motor line. We're showcasing our new 550cc variable displacement pump, which also comes in a tandem variant, which is awesome.
Awesome.
And then also we introduced a 100cc displacement variant to our LH30 line, which is our medium pressure, which really rounds out our expertise in the mobile hydraulics, as you may know, on the high pressure side.
Perfect. Thanks, Daniel.
Excellent, thanks.
All right, we are now here with Paul Mercurio talking about the future of what we're seeing with a lot of products. What are we highlighting here with this solution?
Okay, so what you see here is our direct inject hydrogen solution. This is directly injecting hydrogen into the cylinder to burn just like gasoline would burn or diesel would burn, produce power to run the vehicles or run the machines. In this case, we developed a system. It's a lower pressure system to develop the hydrogen and control it into the cylinders to make it burn and produce power just like a diesel or gasoline engine would.
And what's really exciting about this is it's helping a lot of end users transition into new power sources, right? You know,
Absolutely.
They might not want to completely transition over. This allows them to move into that next step of energy.
Absolutely. It's kind of a step between someday would be hydrogen fuel cells or battery electric vehicles, which is really much farther off than people really realize. In this case, many of our customers are saying, hey, I have internal combustion engines in my vehicles. I still want to run these for many more years. I don't want to just put that out and go with electrification and that sort of thing. What can you give me? This is the next step. Hydrogen injection is really the next step, to logical step in between maybe some days fuel cells, electrification, and the current today's combustion engines.
Awesome, fantastic. Thanks so much for your time, Paul.
Okay, all right, thank you.